Hi guys, it's Chef Aviv here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make super moist banana bread. In a large bowl, start mashing 3 to 4 overripe bananas. Add 2 eggs room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. Here I have 1 teaspoon of coffee instant with 2 tablespoons of warm water. Let's mix it well until well combined. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, one teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, let's mix it well, guys. Add 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, and for last, I'm adding 1/3 cup of canola oil. I'm adding the oil at the end to assure the cake will be moist. Let's mix, guys. I'm using 9-inch pan. You can use also a loaf bread pan instead. Here I have a piece of parchment paper. Now I'm gonna make a triangle and I will put it in the bottom of the pan. Let me show you how to do it. Make a big triangle, fold it in half, and then fold it again. Take a scissor and then measure the center to the end and then cut it. Let's pour the mixture into the pan. Put it in a preheat oven for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I took the cake and let it cool down for about an hour to an hour and a half. Alright guys, for the moment of truth, let's slice a piece. As you can see, it's very fluffy, very moist. I like to serve it with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea if you like. And to make it very rich and tasty, a scoop of whipped cream will be delicious. Enjoy guys. Thank you guys for watching. I am Chef Aviv. If you have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe.